Hey guys, we gotta get into some serious cleaning. I'm still in my pajamas. I did do some makeup. Try to get myself motivated to film this, but the bathroom's a disaster. I have laundry to do, so I need to put everything away, wipe down surfaces. And then in the shower, I wanna try, this is called Shadazzle. I've been seeing this everywhere. It is a natural multi-purpose polisher that is supposed to like knock out mildew and mold and grossness in the shower, and it's safe on marble. So we're gonna put it to the test and see if it will work. So let's get started. And this part alone, clearing off the counter and putting everything away, is the most time-consuming part. Even if you have a place where everything goes, which I do, it's a little jam-packed and my camera wouldn't focus, it still is very time-consuming. And I don't know why, but my countertops just become a catch-all for everybody's stuff. Well, mostly my stuff. Let's be serious. And over here too, it's just everywhere. I need to like stop leaving things out because I end up paying for it. It took me a good 20 minutes to get everything away. And the tricky part is in my office, I also have like a beauty area where I film. So I'm moving makeup back and forth as I'm like picking out what I want to use for the week. So that's what kind of makes things a little bit more challenging. And I have too much stuff, obviously. So I'm gonna work on getting all of my makeup organized and put away. And then I'm gonna declutter some stuff that's getting old. I have a ton of drugstore products that I've been testing out like the last year because there's been so many good launches at the drugstore. But then I have stuff in my collection that's like 5, maybe 5+ years old, some of the powder products, and it's time for them to go. Counters are cleared and I'm ready to move on, but I'm gonna pop a load of laundry in because I like to have my laundry running while I'm cleaning other things. Just keeps things going, especially when you have like kids and a ton of laundry to do. If I don't do a couple loads a day, I'm screwed. So I hang dry quite a bit of stuff like sweatshirts and things like that. But sometimes when you hang dry them, they get very crispy. So I just pop them in the dryer after they're dry and just do like a quick refresh for like 5 minutes. So it's not gonna shrink it and it's just gonna make it feel soft. Taking a break from the laundry, I've had enough of cleaning already. So I tend to bounce back and forth because I get bored really easily. Like I'll start one room and then I'll go to another room and then I'll go to another room, which I know is so bad, but sometimes I need to just mix it up and it eventually gets done, but I guess I need to work on that. And I also like to switch up my cleaning products. So I love trying new things, but today I'm using the Mrs. Meyers cleaning spray. I'm using scrubbing bubbles for the sinks. I love using the little Plink drain cleaners that you guys have seen me use before. And for glass cleaner today, I'm using the spray kind. I forget the name of it, but I'll list and link to everything in the description down below. And I always tell you guys what works the best. And I'm very straightforward about what doesn't work, as you'll see here in a minute when we do the shower, because I want to know what's good too. So if you guys know some good stuff, definitely comment down below. Let me know what to try. Yes, I'm still in my pajamas. I got these from Target, very comfortable. I got a size medium. They're huge. So it's definitely, very loose fitting. And I did shrink them, trying to get them to like shrink up a little bit. It is hard to find a good pajama set that's not like super expensive. I've gotten some stuff from like Amazon and Walmart, and I found the sizes were just not true to size. It was like spandex tight or just tight around the ankles. I'm really picky. Didn't like it at all, but these are nice. So we are going to try the Shadazzle. I'm really excited to try this. It is supposed to be a natural type of polisher, and it's supposed to be great for stone, such as marble, which is what my shower is made of. It's supposed to like polish it and make it sparkling clean. So I was very intrigued by the idea. I thought that it said that it was effective on mold and mildew, which I found to be a little bit questionable, obviously, because it's supposed to be like all natural. And just based on the ingredients, it didn't look like it was going to be able to do that. So I think maybe someone had said it was in their review, or like something that I saw on like an ad on TikTok or like a shorts video. I don't even know. Anyway, long story short, it is a great cleaner. Polishes the marble. My stone looks fabulous. However, I'm going to show you at the end. There are definitely spots where you can still see pinky mildew peeking through. So I will say it is a great cleaner and polisher. However, I do not believe it is effective against a mold or mildew. So sadly, I will have to keep sticking with my Marble Life Stone Hard cleaners to treat those areas. And that's the one thing about marble. It is beautiful and like all natural stone, but it is really difficult to treat mold and mildew on these types of very delicate surfaces. So anyway, long story short, there's what I'm talking about right there. You can see the little discoloration. All right, let's finish up some laundry and then we can be done for the day. I got my morning cleaning chores done. Bye, guys.